up everybody, this is Dave Pereira bringing you our new project. It's a 2016 Chevy Equinox LT. Well, I bid it, I got it, and it's at the shop right now. I didn't see the car yet, so let's go and check it out. Well, hopefully it looks good. I always wanted to do the newer model of the facelift. It's a 2016 and 17. It's the same as I think 2012 to 15. Only difference is 2016 and 17 has the LED lights plus the expensive front end. The grill itself is like $300. So hopefully we can get a good deal, good parts, and most likely hopefully we'll get a good car at the shop. Well guys, let's go check it out. Come on over. What's up guys? This is it, 2016 Chevy Equinox. It's been wrecked pretty hard. The driver's side looks okay, just cosmetic damage. Nothing major. But look at this, the passenger side. The frame is kind of bent in. Plus we have a bonus damage on the side rear end. The wheel is messed up, plus the door. Well guys, like you guys saw, the car is not what I expected. It has more damages. I clearly did not see the extensive damage on the rear side of the passenger side. So, we need to fix. We might have to change the rear cradle. He said he'll change the knee assembly, and if it didn't fix it, we have to change the cradle. We inspect the cradle does not look damaged, but if the cradle has been moved a couple of degrees, it'll be affect the wheel won't be straight. It's metal, sometimes you have the stretch mark, sometimes you don't. So we're gonna change the knee assembly. If it doesn't fix it, we're gonna change the rear cradle. Plus, the rear passenger door is damaged as well. So most likely, we're gonna put a new door. I have few doors from my previous build, so we're gonna change the door. And also, this is the best part. I keep it to the last. The best part is we have to change the passenger side frame section. And I estimated my labor, body shop labor, going to be this much and everything, and of course it's pretty high. I have to pay for changing all the rear end section, the door, and the front frame section. So guys, it's not going to be an easy ride. This is going to be a bumpy ride. Hopefully we will fix it to a price that we can sell and make some money. I am pretty sure I'm not going to lose any money, but I'm not sure that I'm going to make any money. So let's go see how the build gonna end up. So on the part 2, I already called my Winfield salvage yard, friendly salvage yard. He said he has few of the 2016 cars. So let's go get some parts. I also need a rim and the wheel, because the TPMS sensors and everything. I'm probably gonna get a used one with the good tires, so all the 4 tires will be matching. So guys, on part 2, I'm gonna take you on a road trip to Winfield. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoy my bad luck car. Doing cars is always a surprise. Sometimes it's a good surprise, and out of 10 or 20, you'll get a bad one. 1 or 2 bad ones. That's how it is. You know, you always can't win. Oh well, it is what it is, right? So guys, on part 2, I'll show you guys at the salvage yard, and we'll get some parts and we will fix this build one way or another. Well, this is Dave Pereira signing out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a blessed day. Thank you.